So here's your original problem. You have negative 4y equals negative 4 plus 6x, and then you have 9x plus 3 equals 3y. To solve this graphically, you have your first equation, you have to get y by itself. So negative 4y, you're going to subtract negative 4 to each side on all two numbers. So then you get y equals 1 minus 3 over 2x, and to write that in the correct form, you have y equals negative 3 over 2x plus 1. And then you have to do the same to the second equation, so you divide by 3 from the 3y to get y by itself. You have y equals 1 plus 3x, and to write that in the right equation, you have y equals 3x plus 1. And then you have to graph the two equations. And this equation is in the black, so you go up 1, and then you go down 3, and then to the right 2, and then you go up 3, and then to the left 2, because of the negative. And then for this one that's in the red, you go up 1, and you go up 3, and then you go to the right 1, and you keep doing that, and it's always good to have 3 points on your graph. And then where it crosses is 0, 1. And then to do the equation in substitution, you have to substitute the y value in for y, so we have to divide one of them out to get y by itself. And I did the second one, so I divided by 3 to all the numbers, and I got y equals 3x plus 1. From there, you're going to plug that into the y value in either or equations. And then from that goes here, so you have negative 4, and then parentheses 3x plus 1 equals negative 4 plus 6x. And then you distribute the negative 4 to both the numbers in the parentheses, and you get 12x minus 4 equals 4 plus 6x. And because you want to get rid of the negative number, you're going to add 12x to each side, which gives you negative 4 equals negative 4 plus 18x. And then you're going to add the 4 to each side, which gives you 0, so 0 equals 18x, and then divide by 18 to get x by itself, and it gives you 0. And then you want to get y by itself, so you just divide by the 3, because you have to plug in the 0 for x, and you get y equals 1. And for elimination, you have the two problems which you got to set equal to each other for one of the values, either the y or the x, to get them to go away. So I did it for the y. So I times this one by 3 and this one by 4, so both of these two values equals 12, and you need to have one a negative and one a positive. So you have negative 12y equals negative 12 plus 18x, and then 12y equals 12 minus 36x. So these two both can cancel out because of the same numbers. So you have 0 equals negative 18x, and then you divide by negative 18, which gives you your 0 value. And you can plug it in again, which I did right here, and that will give you y equals 1. And then you have to, which way we'd recommend? We'd all recommend to do substitution for this problem because it'd be the easiest. Mac and cheese.